Last night, I got a call. Answered the phone from a strange number, and it was the United States government. The United States government is telling me that I don't have health insurance, and that I am required by law to get health insurance, and if I don't get health insurance, I'm going to be fined. Now my question is this: what business is it of the United States government whether or not I have health insurance? Who does the United States government think they are telling me that I have to purchase a private product? Since when is it the job of the United States government to make sure corporations make money? So let's get something straight here. All this hype about Obamacare, let me tell you something. Let me be clear. Our health insurance industry is not a socialized medical practice. They are not not-for-profit organizations. They're out to make money. They're out to make money off our need for health care. So we are going to pass to these for-profit corporations the responsibility of our health care, and we are going to make our employers pay for this. And the people who really pay for it is the poor man. Honestly, I can't get health insurance. I can't afford health insurance. The premiums just skyrocketed in the last 6 months. I have a friend who is diabetic, and he's going through some kind of nerve damage problem. He's having pain everywhere, and it could be a neuropathy. And he can't get insured because he works part-time. Because of the last jobs that he's had the past 3 years, every time he approaches full-time, they cut his hours. They cut his hours, and they cut his hours for several months, and then schedule him full-time again so that he does not meet the minimum required for, or the requirement of working full-time for a certain amount of months or whatever, to where they have to buy his insurance. Obamacare is a bad law. It has to go. We need to stand up and say no more of this, because it's not going to work. The experts, the professionals told us it wasn't going to work. They told us. But we Americans, we have a strange habit. We say to ourselves over and over again and to each other how politicians just lie. But when a good sounding law comes around, the experts stand up and say, well, this is going to work. This is a bad law. And the politicians stand up and say, oh no, this is a great law. This is going to work. Trust me. And we believe the politicians, the very same politicians that we know who lie. I don't understand that, but okay, whatever. But right now it's not working. And in fact, support for it is dropping. And the experts told us it wasn't going to work, and it's proving to be the fact. And I'm speechless at how bad this is, at how bad this law is. That it's not going to do, can't do anything of what was promised, except one thing that it is accomplishing, and that's padding the pockets of the healthcare insurance industry. That's it. And it's doing it at the cost of small businesses who can't afford to pay their employees healthcare. It is being done at the cost of individuals who need health insurance but now can't get it because the premiums have skyrocketed. It's a bad law, and it has to go. It has to go.